Adding an EV charging station to Google Maps requires using Google Business Profile as the primary method. This process ensures your charging station appears in search results and helps EV drivers find your location. First, visit business.google.com and sign in with your Google account. If you don't have an account, create one. Then click Add Your Business to Google to begin the setup process. When adding your business, use a clear, descriptive name that includes the charging network and location. For example, ChargePoint Station, Walmart Supercenter. Select Electric Vehicle Charging Station as the business category. The most critical step is adding EV-specific attributes. Include the charging network, such as ChargePoint or EVgo, connector types like CCS, CHAdeMO, Tesla Supercharger, or J772, and power levels including level 1, level 2, or DC fast charging. Also, specify power levels and charging speeds. Level 1 provides basic charging at 120 volts. Level 2 offers faster charging at 240 volts, and DC fast charging provides the quickest charging speeds for long-distance travel. Include additional details such as the number of charging ports, pricing structure, operating hours, and accepted payment methods. This information helps EV drivers plan their charging stops effectively. Complete the verification process, which typically involves phone verification, postcard verification for some locations, or video verification for certain business types. This ensures your listing is legitimate and accurate. Alternatively, you can suggest an edit directly on Google Maps. Search for the location, tap Suggest an Edit or Add a Missing Place, select Add a Place, then choose Electric Vehicle Charging Station and fill in the required information for review. Once your EV charging station is listed on Google Maps, maintaining and optimizing that listing is crucial for maximizing visibility and usage. The foundation of a successful listing is keeping information current. Regular updates to pricing, availability, and operational details are essential for user trust. Encouraging user reviews significantly impacts your listing performance. Stations with 10 or more reviews see 45% higher engagement rates. Visual content is equally important. Listings with multiple photos of charging stations, parking areas, and access routes receive 35% more direction requests. For charging network operators managing multiple locations, API integration enables automated real-time updates and standardized naming conventions across all stations. Monitor your listing performance closely. 89% of users abandon their search if initial information is incorrect, making accuracy critical for success. Finally, ensure your listing is mobile optimized. 94% of EV charging searches occur on mobile devices, making mobile-friendly information essential. By maintaining complete and current listings with regular updates, encouraging reviews, adding quality photos, and ensuring mobile optimization, you can significantly increase the visibility and utilization of your EV charging station.